why do I create? I learned at a young age that I had a special way of communicating through art. Back then, my ability to create art felt like a superpower. With it, I could dazzle friends, teachers, and family, no problem. I didn't know where this power came from, but I knew there was great value in it. Luckily, along the way, I had a few adults that knew how to nurture my superpower. Through the support of mentors and teachers, I learned how to push beyond what came natural and really grow as an artist. I learned how to wield my superpower for good, how to honor the people and the history of my community. As an art teacher, here's what I know. Young learners crave creative expression. When I visit schools and classrooms, students are thirsty for the messiness, experimentation, the movement, color, texture, the freedom, and the possibilities of art. I also know that for some students, the reality is they may have limited opportunities to explore their fullest creative potential. I became an art teacher to nurture young creatives as they begin to unlock and wield their creative superpowers. I think now more than ever, students are deserving of lessons, blended and virtual, that challenge them off-screen, allow them to explore their surroundings, their neighborhoods, their cities. Lessons that create a space for sharing, feedback, meaningful connection, while allowing students to be seen and to be heard.